basketball is staging a strong resurgence in 2025, highlighted by the upcoming Nike KD18 B.A.D release. The model blends storytelling and standout design, reflecting Kevin Durant's tribute to his late grandmother, Barbara A. Davis, who passed in 2022. Previous B.A.D editions leaned on deep purple tones, but the KD18 introduces fire pink and hemp tan accents that expand the palette while keeping the signature purple base. This thoughtful balance of heritage, emotion, and striking aesthetics fuels excitement among fans. Nike's approach demonstrates how personal narratives can elevate performance sneakers into cultural statements. Retailing for $155, the pair is scheduled to drop on October 1, 2025, at select Nike basketball outlets. More than just another colorway, the KD18 B.A.D embodies both Durant's personal legacy and Nike's broader return to form, capturing the spirit of comeback for the Swoosh brand.